Hello, hi you guys again. Last time I told you about I have a leakage right here. So the leakage is basically so you have that line that go into the head cam right here. So the head cam cover. So this is the breathing tube that is supposed to be the emission is supposed to lead that and into the exhaust. So the exhaust can burn the oil mist that's coming from the exhaust, trying to relieve the pressure from the head cam if the engine's running high. And I told you guys that I don't like to have anything that, especially oil, that's going to the exhaust to get a burn. If they start doing that for a long time, then you probably are going to get some sluggish inside the engine or inside the carburetor. So I don't want that to happen. So I told you that we're trying to find a solution for it, and I finally found one. So the solution is this. So this is the oil separator. So basically oil come in, they go into this filter. So the oil mist actually going in here and going through this filter, and this filter is going to filter out all the oil and just leave just the air itself to go out. So the oil is going to drop down here. So the oils go in here and this get filter, and the oil is going to be dropped down here. So it's going to reserve in here, this reservoir right here. So if you ride it for if you check it occasionally, and you will see if you have oil or not. If you have oil, you just go ahead and dump it out. So that way it's safe for your engine, and it's a good investment. So this is $12 I got from Amazon. So if you want one, go ahead and get that. It's an easy solution to help your engine to last longer. So all you do is hooking up the breather tube to one side, and the other side to the intake. So basically you just put a connection here between the line like this, and after that you should be good to go. So there's I'm probably gonna mount it somewhere right here on the frame, so it's more secure. So it's more secure, and it's better that way. So I can have the port right here, the cover here. I can remove it and then just open it up so I can dump out the oil if I need to. So that's gonna be the solution, and it's gonna be a good one. So I think it's gonna work out fine. So I hope you guys, if you have a problem with that, then I suggest to buy a oil separator right here. So it's also help, if you get all the oil in here and then come out just air. So most people get the problem that the oil is going into the filter and clog out the filter, and you're gonna have a problem with running. If you're running a scooter for at high speed, it's gonna stop or gonna shut down because the air ventilation have been the air ventilation on the intake have been clogged. So this might be your problem. So go ahead and buy one of these and install it in between the line, and you should be good to go. So hopefully you find that helpful. And I'll go ahead and install that in. I'll shoot a video with the final product, and I'll let you guys see. So let me show you the end product. So basically I have the oil separator right here, mounted right there. Let me see if I can show you. Let's see. Mount there, and so basically the wire is gonna go in here around, and back into the breather hole on the cover, and then the other side is coming out to the wire, to the the tube, and tube and all the way going to the exhaust. Actually, it doesn't go to exhaust, it's going to another reservoir, the OEM reservoir, and then it going to exhaust. But since I got the oil separator right here, so there won't be any oil, just air that's gonna go into the intake itself, and that's not gonna cause any more problem. So I hope if you have the same problem I do, and you want to get rid of all those oil mist that go into the exhaust, then that's the best way to do it. So hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you guys next time.